Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can apply filters to your lists and projects on GitHub. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your repositories project and select a view here, like for example, the table or board view. Let me go with the table view or list view here. So you can apply these filters to specific fields and columns, like the given issue status, or pull requests, and so on and so forth. So to do that, simply click into these stat and column options and select filter by values. And after that, what you want to do is set a status here, like for example, filter for, I don't know, it depends pretty much on the field or column you're using. So let me go with done. And after that, you will simply see the filtered items or issues here. And that's basically it. You may of course remove that or clear that filter and use other or apply the filter to other columns like this one here, and select, for example, filter by type or state if the given column refers to types or states. So it pretty much depends on your column or field type. And that's basically it, guys. Simply select the given filter, enter the value here in that search bar, and so for example, let me filter for item 1. And as you can see, guys, you need to type it correctly without any typos and without any spaces, or if I press space, it will still be applied, as you can see. But that's at least how it works. Let me clear that filter. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.